Hello and welcome to the Cryptocity trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and definitely taking benefit from the Cryptocity content that we are posting on our channel. So guys, this video is specifically about affiliate program that we are going to start, and it's officially live now. You can become a part of that, create your referral link and earn commission on each referral or the customer you bring in, and you will get paid not only on the subscription but every renewal. So it could be a good passive income for you guys. Get paid every 15 day, on the 1st of the month and the 15th of the month we will release your payments, and you will get paid in USDT, which is on the higher side from the US dollar normally. All right, let me show you the payment plan and basically what are the charges or the benefits or the payments that you are going to get rewards basically. So on the 10 referrals, if you bring in, we have a total 3 packages, 1 month, 6 month and premium. So if you bring in 10 referrals for 1 month package, you will earn $70, and similarly 10 referrals for 6 months, then you will earn $360, and this is USDT, and whenever the customer renews you will get paid again. All right, so this is how it works. You can see this is a 20% commission. It's a recurring income basically, and you can use it as a good monthly income for yourself. And we are also going to announce exclusive bonuses on the targets that you guys are going to achieve, and definitely we are going to provide you with promotional material, images, videos as well, so you can actually attract the customers from that. All right, so let's see how you can actually create your account. So you will click on this link, sign up, and you will be redirected to this page, and here you will input your details, your name, your email address, password, your phone number with the country code and the country. All right, so you will create your account, and after that you will be able to log in. Let me show you the dashboard. So once you log in, guys, here you can see your dashboard. You can actually see all the leads that have created accounts using your link, and you can see how many leads are active, means they have paid and now active, and how many clicks on the link anyone has clicked, or so you can actually track this information on your end. And when you click on referral link, you can actually get your referral link. You can copy this link and bring the customers to the application and definitely receive your, once they activate their accounts, then definitely you are going to get paid against the commission according to that. All right, so you can actually see your lead, and when you click on the lead, you will see this page where you can see the name of the customer which has created account user using your referral, the name and the registration time and date, the amount they have paid, and the commission you have earned. And here are the details. You can see if you have get paid your commission, and if the payment is pending for your commission. All right, so you can see these details here, and you can further click on the, and here you will be able to see all the details, all the payments from a specific referral. All right, so whenever there is a renew, this will be updated on this screen, and you can calculate your commission. All right, guys, you can actually see your earnings as well, and you can see the total earning you have made till now. You can see how much is pending that you are going to get paid, and the amount that you actually have received. And in this section you will get promotional material, and you can actually update your account setting and your password. So guys, this is a complete dashboard. You can get started from this and start building your business, start building your monthly passive income. It is going to play a good role. We have a strong base, we have a strong customer base, and this is going to play a very important role. You can actually use the material and the content that we are promoting every day, every week, so you can use that and bring more customers. All right, this is going to be a good deal for all of us. All right, guys, so let's have a look on the Discord server as well. So as you can see, this is the affiliate section. You can come and see the details here, join this section. Whatever we are providing, all the details are here. You can see the sections. We are providing 4 type of trades: the long term, swing, short term, and the risky trades. And the important section is a newsletter, which is already paid, and we are running this service on our website and also on another platform. Right now we are providing free of cost newsletter as well in the same package. All right, BTC analysis, technical analysis, market updates, all these insights and updates will be shared with you as well. And the important thing is that you can join this, and also you can request your analysis and we will respond on that. All right, we will provide you response on that. You can have suggestion, you can give suggestion, and definitely, as you can see, there are a lot of features we're providing here. Any premium community, whatever you will think, we are providing here, and you can definitely use this content in your marketing, and you will be able to attract good customers for you. All right, guys, let's conclude this video here, and we'll connect again in the next video. Thank you very much for your time, guys.